Hey, Monday night class, it's Professor McGowan. I just wanted to talk a little bit about the assignments that are due this week and give you an update that I have broken no tables since Monday night and the projector's working, so yay for that. So I changed the deadline for one of the assignments, and that's the Go Be Place. It was originally due September 10th, but because we didn't have a chance to talk about it this week, and I won't see you until the week after next week, I'm going to postpone it. So it's not due the 10th, it's due the 17th. I'm going to walk through it today just so you know if you can start now, that would be awesome. But note that the assignments that are due according to the schedule, so let's take a visual here. The assignments that are due this week are still due. The syllabus quiz, the weekly schedule and reflection are due this Sunday. And then this was originally due the 10th. We've moved it to the 17th. So I've just given you a little bit more space, a little bit more time. So let's walk through the assignments in Blackboard to preempt any questions you have, and also so that you just start to see the rhythm of how the class works. So I'm going to click on the week in which it is, and here I'm always going to see an overview. So what are we doing this week? When is it due? Each separate assignment or quiz has its own link. So the quiz here, and you guys are going to catch on so quickly to this. The quiz here, I'm just going to click on it and notice that I have some more info here about when is it due, how many attempts, et cetera, et cetera. Once I start that, I have to finish it. And these are going to be questions that we talked about in class, but also some more. So make sure that you really take a look at that syllabus. So the next is the assignment. Every assignment in this class has a file attached to it, and that file has the instructions, and if there's like a worksheet, guidelines you need to fill out. So you're going to see this over and over again. So for this one, remember it's due Sunday. If I go ahead and I click on this, I'm going to see those instructions. But basically what I'm doing is filling out a typical weekly schedule, and then I'm going to reflect on that. So what does that tell me about my life right now? What are some areas where I can focus? To submit that assignment, I'm going to click on the link, and I have more info here. Now, what's really key is that you don't write your submission. You need to browse your computer and attach a file. And we talked about Microsoft Office and how you get it. So you really want to do that because I can't grade anything written submission. So remember that's due this Sunday. So here's the Go Be place. And remember, Go Be is go beyond, so outside of the classroom. So you're going to do this on campus on your own time. Remember, it's due the 17th now, but you can definitely get started. So here's what you're doing. You're going to visit an office at Valencia, and you're going to talk to a staff member. So the point of this is to get you chatting with people on campus and have you visiting spaces that would be beneficial for you. So let's go ahead and look at the instructions because there's two pieces. The first piece, we'll go ahead and just open this here. The first piece is the instructions and also some ideas of where you can go. So go somewhere that means something to you. So if you think you're in a math class and you're going to use the math tutoring lab, go there. If you're a veteran, maybe visit the Veteran Affairs office. You're going to answer these questions. So what is this place about? How does this benefit me as a student? That's part one. Part two is the proof of attendance. So you're going to print this, you're going to have the staff member sign it, and then you're going to date it. And that way we know that you went somewhere and not just your buddy's house. So that's the place. This is pretty quick. So really, this is a pretty simple assignment. You can start it anytime you want. So you could start it this week, next week, but I have changed the deadline a little bit to give you some more space. So I hope you guys have a great Labor Day weekend. And if you want to reach out to me, please just reach out. You can send me an email. You can book your advising appointment, or you can just call me on the phone. Bye.